Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just got back from grocery store. I went to Lidl. That's where I usually do my groceries, and of course I go to other stores as well. But I like this one. So and came back was I was about to store my groceries and noticed that my fridge is still dirty. I usually clean it when I do like a lot of groceries. Clean it at least once a month, but I was kind of lazy lately, and so I'm gonna do it today, share it with you guys, and let me know, do you guys clean your fridge? Is it once a month, twice a month? Should I clean it more than once a month? I don't know, but just let me know down below, and stay tuned, and I'm gonna show you how I deep clean my fridge. Thank you. here we go, finally done. So now you can see it's better organized, it's clean. And I put my yogurts on one side, in the middle area. In the bottom I have my vegetables. You don't see those produce bags anymore. I wrapped my celery in some foil paper. It's supposed to keep it fresher. And on top you see I can notice that I will need more eggs. So when it's better organized, you can find out what you need to buy more. I also remove my tomato paste from the can and put them in the plastic container. And I have my milk, water on one side, and in my drawers I have the vegetables that I use most of the time. I put them in zip bags, and I left a little opening on those zip bags just to keep it fresh so they won't go bad. So in this drawer I have all my fruits, and I left some on the counter. And here is the bottom drawer of my fridge, where I have all my like cold cut cheese, extra butter that I put in the little white basket, and you see the liners, the vinyl liner that I put in each drawers. And on my doors I have all the condiment or jelly that I need, and the yogurt for my baby. And on the bottom shelf there I have my vitamins. And on the other door I have some snacks, chocolate. I love chocolate. And my condiment, I removed the one that were expired. And I also cleaned the tops of my condiments, like the ketchup. You know, sometimes you have a crust or dried up ketchup, so I cleaned them. So here we go. I'm done with my deep cleaning my fridge. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and if you have any other suggestion or comment, please leave them down below. Thank you.